In the dashboard, you get a bird's eye view of all your important information, and this can be totally customized according to your requirements. So here, let me hit on the pickup and delivery tab, and I can get the information about my invoices and the order info. Moving on to the manage merchant, this is again totally business specific. If you are considering to tie up with some merchant, you can have this section and you can enter all the information regarding that merchant here. Moving on to the user section, I can view the list of the users. By clicking on the action button, I can even block or suspend the user. If I click on any username, let's say I have clicked on Lily Potter, I can view information of Lily and her pickup and drop of orders, whatsoever orders she has placed, and the order detail. Now let's move on to the role section. So admin can create a variety of roles that can be granted to the user. So let's say I have created some role and that will be reflected on the all roles section. So if I want to add a specific user for that particular role, I can create it from here by clicking the add user tab, and that particular user will be reflected on the all users. Moving on to the invoices, I can view the information of all the users. Basically the order information, the share, which driver has delivered the order, share detail, what is the driver share, what will be my share, etc. By clicking on the driver's name, I can view the driver's profile. So again, moving back to the invoices, I can view my taxes details, I can view the order info, which user has placed it, the sender name and the recipient name. So in the driver section, you can view the list of the drivers who have been registered. If someone has resubmitted the documents, you can view it under the document change request. And if the driver has been freezed, admin have the privilege to reinstate it for some hours. In the order section, I can view the orders which have been placed by the user from which particular vendor, if you are considering to tie up with some merchant, or if I have pickup delivery order, I can view the senders and receivers detail, and if the driver has not been assigned, I can forcefully assign a driver. Moving on to manage coupon, I have the privilege to add some coupon. I can either give discount type, either a percentage value or a fixed value discount. Again, the manage banner is totally specific. If you want to add some banner, you can create a banner by clicking on add banner. So this is basically the pickup and drop off settings. You can add a category, you can add vehicle type. Let's say I have added car, so it will be reflected here. So before moving on to manage fare, let me first show you to add a city. So from manage city, we are adding a city. Let's say I have added California city. By clicking on add, my city is added, and I will go on the manage fare section now. Let's add fares for California city. Let me choose the city. And then the service type, let's say pickup and drop off. I will add here base fare, distance fare, waiting time fare, taxes, etc. And I will click on the save button after filling out all the information. So here, if user has cancelled the order, admin can initiate the refund by clicking on the refund button here. So under the list of completed refunds, admin can view the refunds which have been completed. So again, this influencer is totally business specific. If you want to promote your business, so you can hire some influencers or can generate influencer code. So moving on to service areas, Let's say I have added a service area. So my pickup and delivery will be only possible in this particular service area. I can add multiple service area, by the way. So these are the payouts. Basically, admin have payout to driver, which day and when. So these are the audit logs. I can see if any user has changed the information, like the rules I have created. I can view which rules has update or take some update or create action with the detail. So that's all about this admin panel. Thank you.